Hey there, real estate marketing professionals. If you're watching this, it's most likely because, well, your meta ads are not performing the way you hoped, and you're probably getting a good stream of leads, but then something terrible happens. They don't convert, conversations fizzle out, and prospects ghost you. Questions become unanswered by your team because, well, they can't respond fast enough. The follow-ups at the end of the month are scarce, and the booking rates are close to zero. I know because I've been there before. Every real estate marketer has. You're generating hundreds of leads, but then nothing converts. It's like throwing your money away. But here's what's really happening. Every lead that doesn't convert is not just a missed opportunity. It's money directly out of your pocket. If you're spending over $5,000 a month on ads and only converting 2% of those leads instead of 20%, that's potentially $45,000 vanishing in commissions for you. Meanwhile, your competitors who have solved this problem are selling entire developments while you're still struggling to fill your appointment calendar. They're not working harder than you, and they're not spending more on ads than you. They've just eliminated the biggest bottleneck in real estate marketing today. And this gap is only going to widen as real estate marketers who embrace the solution will be able to go farther and farther ahead while you get further and further behind. The cost per acquisition will continue to rise while theirs drop significantly. In fact, 6 months ago, I was in your exact same position. My agency was managing over 3 different developments in Tulum. Ads budget, lead generation, they were all strong, but my booking rates were stuck at 3%. Our clients were getting frustrated, and honestly, I was so frustrated too. And that's when I discovered that some of the top performing real estate marketing agencies weren't using traditional sales teams anymore. They were implementing something revolutionary, AI agents on WhatsApp that were achieving more than a 30% or higher booking rate, which was almost 10 times more than we were. And these weren't just simple chatbots and automations. These were sophisticated AI agents that could engage in a natural conversation, answer detailed questions about properties, and handle objections, follow-ups consistently, and book appointments. The technology was mind-blowing. It was so good, I immediately implemented this solution with my clients. We uploaded their brochures, their price list, property renderings, sales scripts, and within days, the AI agent was trained and leads were flowing. But this time, the conversions were 10 times better than in the past. The results were immediate and dramatic. Within the first week, our booking rates jumped from 3% to 18%. And by the end of the month, we hit 27%. One development we had struggled to sell even sold all of its units. But the most remarkable transformation wasn't just the numbers. It was the entire sales process. No more missed follow-ups, no more delayed responses, and no more leads slipping through the cracks. The AI agents were working 24/7, responding instantly, and never would get tired or frustrated. Now, I want to help you achieve the same transformation in your real estate marketing agency. I've created a comprehensive tutorial that shows you exactly how to implement these AI WhatsApp agents for your business and for your clients. This isn't just a theory, it's a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how to implement these true agentic AI agents that aren't just chatbots into any agency today. Let me explain what I mean by AI agent. These AI agents can process and understand voice messages and videos sent by prospects, show genuine empathy and recognize emotion in a message, automate and update your CRM for lead qualification and data, analyze floor plans, master plans, and with great precision of architects. This isn't just a theory, it's a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how to implement truly agentic AI, not just a chatbot. And the best part is, it's specifically designed for the real estate sales process with specific capabilities far beyond generic AI chatbot. Click the message on WhatsApp button below, and I'll personally send you a free tutorial that walks you through the entire implementation process. It takes about 30 minutes to set up, and you'll be seeing dramatically higher booking rates as early as tomorrow. But don't wait. Every day you delay is another day of leads slipping through your fingers, another day of leaving money on the table, and another day your competitors might be implementing this technology before you. Message me on WhatsApp for a free tutorial.